5. Success comes from following a proven step-by-step playbook that eliminates guesswork and builds a business on solid foundations. Step 1. Select a profitable niche with steady demand. Categories like home fitness, tech accessories, or eco-friendly products perform well because customers buy them consistently. Step 2. Set up your store on Shopify or e-commerce. Keep the design simple, professional, and optimized for mobile and build instant trust. Step 3. Partner with reliable suppliers on platforms like Spocket or CJ Dropshipping to guarantee quality products and fast delivery. Step 4. Master marketing. Use targeted ads to bring in immediate sales while building long-term value with social media content and email funnels that keep customers coming back. Step 5. Track your results.